Hello friends, welcome to Tell Us More Recipes. Today, we bring you a classic dish from French bistros. We're going to prepare some mussels with a garlic and white wine sauce, also known as Moules Marinière. This dish was originated by the wives of the French sailors and along the northern coast of France, also known as Brittany. And this area is known or famous because they produce a lot of mussels. It's a very delicate dish. It only has a few ingredients, and we can put it together in around 15 minutes after cleaning the mussels. But it's worth it, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get cooking. The ingredients we're going to need is 2 pounds of mussels, 1 cup of white wine, 4 garlic cloves, 1.5 shallots, half a bunch of parsley, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, olive oil, 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste, and to accompany our dish, a crusty bread like a baguette. First thing we have to do is clean our mussels. If you don't buy them clean, you can use a butter knife and just scrape them. And make sure to remove the beard. Just pull it out, and we'll be doing this with all our mussels. Now we're going to prepare our ingredients. We're going to chop our shallots finely. We're going to slice and mince our garlic cloves. And our parsley. And that's it. We're going to warm up a pan at medium heat, and we're going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Once it's hot, we're going to add our butter, and we're going to melt it. This is going to take a few minutes, and once it's melted, we're going to add our shallots, and we're going to start cooking them for a few minutes until they soften. Once our shallots are ready, we're going to add our garlic, and we're going to stir until the garlic becomes fragrant. Then we're going to add our white wine. We're going to mix a little bit. Then we're going to cover our pan and let it boil. It's going to take about 3 minutes. And we just want all the alcohol to evaporate and thicken our sauce. After 3 minutes, this is ready. We're going to stir in, and we're going to add a little bit of our parsley. I'm going to reserve a little bit for garnish. This is smelling great already. Now it's time to add our mussels. Now we're going to cover them and let them cook for about 7 to 10 minutes until they open. Our mussels are steaming, and while we wait, it's a perfect time for you to click on subscribe to our channel. If you want to know when new videos are coming, click on the bell to get notifications. Leave us your comments and request any recipe that you would like to see in our channel. And don't forget, at the end of this video, give us a like. Thank you very much for watching our video. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And now, let's finish our mussels. After the time has passed and all our mussels are open, we are almost ready. We're just going to stir in a little bit and make sure that the sauce goes inside all those mussels. We're going to taste our sauce and we're going to adjust our seasoning. In this case, I'm just going to add a little bit of pepper. The mussels already have some salt in them, so I don't need to add any. And just to finalize, I'm going to squeeze my lemon on top of it. Now we're going to look for all the mussels that did not open. If they did not open, they're not good. So just take them out and discard them. In my case, I found 3. Now, our mussels and white wine are ready. Turn off the heat and let's plate. We're going to add our mussels to our dish. We're going to cover them with this beautiful sauce. And I'm going to garnish with my parsley. We are ready to eat. Our mussels with white wine and garlic are ready. You can accompany them with crusty bread, or in some places they would serve them to you with French fries. They look great and smell amazing. Let's try them. This one up. That. So well cooked and plump. I'm gonna get a little bit of that sauce. A dish that packs a lot of flavor, just a few ingredients, very basic and simple. And to try out that sauce with our crusty bread. That sauce is delicious. You need to give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.